Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MAXIF in Excel. This powerful function helps you find the largest value in a range that meets specific conditions. We'll cover its fundamental syntax, which involves specifying the range to evaluate, the criteria range, and the actual criteria. Understanding this will allow you to efficiently extract precise maximums from your data, saving you significant time and effort. To construct your MAXIF formula, begin by identifying the range containing the numbers you want to find the maximum of, for example, cells a 2 through a 100. Next, select the range where your conditions will be checked, perhaps cells B2 through B100. Finally, input your specific criteria, such as East region or a value greater than 50. This structured approach ensures your formula accurately targets the data you need. Let's apply MAXIF to a practical scenario, like finding the highest sales figure for a particular product category. A common pitfall is mismatched range sizes. Ensure your value range and criteria range have the same number of rows. For more complex analysis, you can incorporate multiple criteria, such as finding the maximum sales for product X in the North region. This flexibility makes MAXIF incredibly versatile for detailed data analysis. While MAXIF is excellent, it's helpful to know alternatives like array formulas using MAX and IF, or even the newer MAXIFs function in some Excel versions. For very large datasets, consider converting your data to an Excel table for better performance. Always use clear range names and add comments to complex formulas. These best practices improve readability and make your spreadsheets easier to maintain for yourself and others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.